Hi guys, welcome back. We are finally completing the final steps of my vision board. You guys are going to see me put all the images together and arrange them the way that I want and bring it to life. I finished downloading and cutting out some more inspo and pictures I want on the board, so now we're going to go ahead and jump right in. I have my push pins over here set up, so let's go ahead and do this. Alright you guys, so now we're going to go ahead and get into it. I'm going to start from the left side of the board and work my way towards the right side of my vision board. You guys, so now we're gonna move on towards the right side of my board. This side is pretty much complete, so once it's all together I will do a big overview and show you guys all the new additions to my vision board. You guys, we are finally done. My vision board is complete for now. No, I think this is good. I think this is good. Say hello. So I'm gonna take you guys through just a quick little overview before we sign off. So starting from left to right, a lot of this is still the same, like my inspiration, some of my favorite quotes, scriptures are up there. My travel section I still kept within the same region of the board. I've added some more photos for like Paris and like Italy because I don't have a word thing on here for Italy, so I've added that. And then just a little picture of some pasta because that is my dream, to literally go to Italy and make homemade pasta and eat all the carbs I want and just enjoy myself. And then all of the business stuff is still in the same region as well. I've just added some more things like if you guys don't follow my cosmetic brand's Instagram page, my last post was announcing that we officially have our name bought for the nonprofit piece / foundation that's going to be part of my cosmetic brand called Bloom Where You Are Planted. This is still being tweaked a little bit, but for now this is what it's going to be called. So I figured it'd be nice to add that on my vision board as well. And then like some other inspo, like my cosmetic line's name, a headquarters inspiration photo. Not exactly what I want mine to look like, but at some point I do want to be able to scale and grow the cosmetic brand to the point where we have our own full-sized headquarter office, like my own personal lifestyle inspo. So like you guys are gonna see here, I have like some of my dream cars. You guys are gonna laugh, but let me tell you, if you don't put your vision out there, how are you going to achieve it? How are you going to be inspired every day to achieve it? And there's going to be people that laugh and be like, oh, you're never going to have that. And then the day you do have it, you're going to be like, now what? So people might laugh at me because I desire to own a Lambo truck and I want it customized to my liking. You guys might laugh at me, but one day I will own one. And then I'm going to be like, who's laughing now? Not just to, you know, rub it in people's faces, but if I work my ass off for it and I get it, it's mine. I deserve it. You know, I worked for it. It wasn't just given to me. And then I have some more house design inspo. You guys see this bling. This is what I want my next dream wedding ring to look like. My husband, I tell him all the time, take notes because this is what I want. Okay, so all three of these are just, you know, my inspiration for my dream wedding ring. I just blew them up bigger. Obviously the ring is not that big. I mean, do you see these fingers? It would not fit my next and final wedding ring. And then this is going to be my first baby, because over the years I've had so many people ask me if I'm ever going to own a Lexus, because that's my name, or the fact that they want to know if I already own one and drive one for a living, and I always have to respond with no. So within this year or next year, that's going to be my baby. I will be getting my first SUV, and that's going to be a Lexus. My first mom car. No more Fiats, sadly. I do miss my Fiat sometimes, but it's time to be a big girl. We will have that truck. This is also still my encouragement corner, is what I'm calling it. So a lot of things that have been written and given to me, like from my mom, like when I graduated, when I had surgery, when I had the baby, all those inspiring encouragement things. Another scriptures over here. I've updated my reading list. These are books initially you guys saw before. I just wrote a small list of books I wanted to read in the year of 2020, and then boom, this pandemic hit and life just went down the drain. A little bit, just a little. So I didn't get any reading done because apparently I was growing a baby. Okay, so I've actually extended my list since that I wrote that 2020 book list. So these are all books I want to finish, because some of them I actually already have and I've just started reading them, but I'm like halfway done or like a third of the way through the book. So I want to finish all these books. I want to get the other books I don't have and read at some point. And it doesn't have to be accomplished this year. I'm not going to put that type of pressure or timeline on myself. And maybe even find a wonderful group of ladies to start reading these books with. I would love that. This I found on Pinterest and added to go along with that. And these are all lists of books that a lot of ladies have recommended for like female entrepreneurs to read. So I may even try to accomplish reading those on my own as well. And then here we get to the fitness and health stuff, because I pretty much have seriously taken on my start of a fitness journey, just being more fit and healthy. So I have some body inspo. I really want to be more muscled and toned, because if you guys know me, I've always had small skinny arms, but I'm short and petite, and you know, I have a heavy chest, a little bit more curvy, but I definitely want to be more toned down, and I don't want it to have to necessarily involve me having surgery or getting a BBL, you know, not that there's anything wrong with the ladies that get that done, you know, do you, if you have the money, whatever, but I want to just try to work on me naturally and in a more healthier light. So meditation, yoga, all those things. And then here is my natural hair inspo. I really want full, just beautiful, thick, curlier hair. Like this inspiring photo. I don't know who this lady is, but I just admire her curls so much. I think they're beautiful, and trying to stay encouraged with it, because today, all day long, I've been thinking about just going and getting a keratin treatment. I've heard mixed reviews according to online and YouTube. A lot of people say that's a no-no for natural hair. Then some people say they have no problems with it. So I'm just feeling a little discouraged about my curls, but I think they just need some love. And then hopefully one day I can get to this type of fullness and length with my hair. Anyways, and then these are more of like luxury things I desire to own, like the limited edition Jimmy Choos that are like, this is what they use for the Cinderella remake by Disney. This is the shoe she wore. This is the shoe that I desire to own. Even if I don't wear it, I really want to own them just to have them on display and preserve the shoe. So that is a dream of mine. I will have them one day. And then just a couple of handbags I desire, like this Chanel bag, this YSL, just some cute little girly luxury inspo photos, and then lastly some fashion inspo. Like I really love Tia Mowry and really admire her sense of fashion and style as a mom, as a wife, as a businesswoman. So, you know, I don't want people to take this the wrong way, think I'm obsessed with her. I'm really not, but like she is definitely my fashion icon who I look up to in terms of like how I aspire to dress, how I aspire to have my wardrobe, you know, to look like. And she's got some fabulous pieces. Like You know, she probably has someone that helps her pick out her style, aside from, like, I don't know if she's just like a regular celebrity who just shops and buys her own stuff a lot of the time, but I really love her fashion. I think it's lovely, and I would love to own like some pieces similar to what she wears. But anyways, that is the entire board. So I hope you guys enjoyed going through this process with me. I'm so sorry it took so long. Again, I did have to order a new replacement adapter to hook up my camera and stuff to my computer, and Amazon claims they lost it, so I was waiting all this time, plus I had been out of town, like I said. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video and going through this journey with me. Don't give up on your dreams. Don't lose sight of your vision. In life, you can achieve. Just work for it and you will get there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.